Welcome to the Garage Loft Railway once again. Since my last video, I have been doing lots of work on my signal control system. I have not installed many signals yet, but I've been doing lots of work creating these circuit boards. These are very similar design to Everard Junction. What I have done is use the Everard Junction idea using a 5-volt picaxe chip. My circuit boards, I have added a lot of LEDs to indicate what the actual circuit board is doing and what the signal is doing at any time. All my signals have been set up so they can talk to each other like the train tech sensor signals, but all I'm using is just a basic train tech signal, and these boards are actually then turning the signals on and off. I'll go along a bit further. I have created a circuit board for controlling feathers. I've also created a circuit board for controlling any routes, so when a train is going from one signal to another signal on a particular route, those two signals know how to talk to each other. I've got orange LEDs for incoming signals and green LEDs for outgoing signals. This has taken a lot of design work. I have got the blue LEDs in the middle, which basically get signals from the points to know what route has been set on the track. So if I were to change a point, an LED will go blue because the point has changed, and the chip will then know from the program that the train is on a different route. In total, I have created 9 signal circuit boards. Go across to the far side of the track. As I explained in my previous video, my signals and my track is controlled by Hornby Railmaster. I have got signals on the track, and then to be able to run a 5-volt supply signal system, Hornby signals give out 15 volts. So what I have done is linked a point motor to each signal. So what I've done is go down below, you'll see I've got these point motors here. So these are controlled by the Hornby accessory above them. So when the Hornby accessory were to change the signal, to change a point, then the signal will change from red to green. So if I go up, explain, you can see the signal. So if I move that point motor again, the signal goes to green. And then you go to my circuit board. If I were to then change that point motor again, you can see the bottom circuit board goes to red. Then I change the signal back to green. This is the easiest way I could think of for controlling my signals from Hornby Railmaster, but to control a 5-volt system. Also, if you go up to my signal here, if I were to go up to my Railmaster program again, and then go up, and then move my track across so you can see it, and then change this point to the left, and then go back to my signal, you can see my signal has now got a feather. Basically what I've done is this point here has got a Gauge Master PM 1 point motor or auxiliary switch, so when it changes, it then sends the signal to the feather circuit board, which in turn sends a signal to the circuit board down here, and you can see the little LED where my finger is. That indicates the feather has been set, and then there's an output then goes to the signal. So I've been doing a lot of work, as you can see. Eventually I'll do another video to explain and show how all this works properly, but for now I just thought I'd do an update so you could all see what I've been doing. Thank you for watching.